Hello. So, I'm Caitlin.
I'm Austin.
The person standing right in
front of us.
In front of us is Nicholas.
So this is our cell, and as you walk in, you walk in, and go on to. There's the bridge. Never mind. Now this is cell.
This is our cell.
Yes. Trying to row. Yay. That doesn't help. So you press F.
W. It's on land. It's on land. I have to make a new one.
So we're just going to push it off. And as you can see, HS11 has joined the game. So now it's on. It's gonna work.
It's right now.
This may be very boring. So let's start telling you one.
Okay, go.
Okay. Why does it take the pirate so long to learn the alphabet?
I have no idea.
Because they're stuck at sea for years.
Oh.
I don't know any jokes though.
Almost there.
I have a bad joke.
We're gonna make it.
It's gonna go.
You could do it.
What?
It's shaking. We're being pulled into the current, and I'm gonna go to the side. Yes. Genius. Okay.
Wait, do you press these two arrows?
Wait. Yes, and I'm rowing. Oh wait, I should probably be going this way.
Oh, what?
Wait. Oh, see, we're moving.
If you press both of them, you move forward.
So this right here is a. Oh my God, what is going on?
Is a wall, apparently an orange wall.
Yes.
And the red thing right there
is a P06. I think that's how it's said. Let us continue on our journey, and you can hear there's some nice music going on. This, oh my God, I need to turn around. Wrong way, Caitlin.
there. Okay, the blue Cheetos
Are called.
Yeah.
The blue Cheetos are called a mitochondrion. And we're going to be calling them blue Cheetos this lesson.
And that thing with different color, which looks like a cord, whatever,
This looks
the Golgi body.
The Golgi body.
Yeah,
Yes.
the Golgi body. It helps
Do stuff.
Do stuff.
to your body.
It helps your body.
This thing over here is a
yourself.
nucleus.
It's
Yes.
the core
of
the
core
big,
of the
big purple core
of your tummy. The biggest part.
No, it's
of
the
your
big
body.
purple
Yeah.
core of an animal cell.
Yeah.
And if you look over here, okay, I'm facing the wrong way. This is hard. Oh my God. Oh my God. Don't.
This thing right over here, the orange thing, is called
Oh my God, I can't read this screen. Oh God. That is not what it's called.
Okay, it's actually
Oh, this green thing is called a lysosome.
which
and
is
that
like,
orange thing is called
A centriole.
if you can read.
Great way to end this.
Now
We're going to find out the name of the yellow thing.
Yes. The yellow thing.
Okay, we're just gonna jump off this boat and try.
That's not what we do.
Ha ha ha.
It's not what we do, Austin. It's not what we do. And I'm gonna have to go around. Yay. Wait. Oh my god. I thought I mastered this keys.
I think I'm gonna master it. I think I already mastered it.
Yep, and
And
we're gonna
now
hop out of the boat to find out.
Told you my idea was good.
It is, it has 2 words. And an endoplasmic reticulum.
Which
Yes.
covers the core.
Yeah, it
An
covers the
animal
purple.
body.
That's the green thing. Wait, it's not the green thing, it's a lysosome. Well, thank you for joining us today on our tour of a human animal cell. And if you look up, there's blood.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye. Bye.
See ya.
See ya.
We don't know how to.
Yes, we do.
Okay, yes, we do.
We're finished.
No, we're not.
It's still videotaping.
I don't-
It's still videotaping.
We don't know how to stop this.